Hello everyone. In this video, we made a list of celebrities who look exactly like the historical figures. So let's get started. Paul Monet, Keanu Reeves, Albert Einstein, Nicolas Cage, one of Raphael's friends, Oscar Isaac, Herman Rorschach, Brad Pitt, Albert Einstein, Shia LaBeouf, Joseph Stalin Young, Sacha Baron Cohen, Farida Kahlo, Salma Hayek, Queen Elizabeth II, Helen Mirren, Nelson Mandela, Morgan Freeman, Adolf Hitler, Bruno Ganz, Mahatma Gandhi, Ben Kingsley, Leon Trotsky, Andrew Garfield, Zubeda Tharwat, Jennifer Lawrence, Sebastian D. Mora, Peter Dinklage, Caligula, Jack Gleason, Enzo Ferrari, Mesut Ozil, Paul Revere, Jack Black, Mahir Khan, Jimmy Fallon, Philip Ford, Mark Zuckerberg, Margaret Thatcher, Meryl Streep, Louis XI of France, Vladimir Putin, Barack Obama, Ilham Anas, Egyptian bust, Michael Jackson, Severus Alexander, Eminem, Judy Zipper, Leonardo DiCaprio, stern looking old ladies, Daniel Radcliffe, Henry David Thoreau, Ellen DeGeneres.